What's up, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video. Today I'm opening up some Japanese packs. This is Starbirth. This is what we have in English, which is Brilliant Stars. I know the set just came out yesterday, Brilliant Stars, but I decided to pick up a few Japanese packs to see what I can get. So let's see. I don't think I've ever opened up Japanese on this channel, but you never know, because I don't 100% remember. I don't remember the pack trick. Burmy, Bidoof, Monferno. Okay, so it's one. So we start out with a Lucario Hollow. Okay then. So it's one from the back. I'm hoping for a V or a V-Star, but you never really know what you're gonna hit. Why is it not opening? Okay, come on. Don't be difficult to open. I just have to remember that it's one card to the front. Okay. We've got Heatmor, Shinx, Cubchoo. We have a Magby, and we have a Skyform Shaman Hollow. I meant V. I don't know why I called that a hollow when we all know it's not a holographic. Honestly, we've hit two really good things. Whoops. No clue what that is. Bidoof. Grimer. And we hit another hollow. Okay then. It's not a hollow in every pack, is it? Let's see. We've got a Heatmor, a cute Piplup, Sigilyph, Spiritomb, and a Garchomp Hollow? Hold on. You can get non-holographic rares in this, right? I'm now just curious. Is every pack a hollow? Ooh, we've got a Golurt, Breezel, a Starmie. We have a Dusclops, and we have a V card. I don't remember how to say this Pokemon's name, but why is my luck so good in Japanese? Almost every pack has had something. What is this luck? Can I get a V-Star? I'm probably asking for too much, but Heatmor, Sigilyph, Minccino, Electabuzz, and a Moltres Hollow. I don't think my luck's supposed to be this good. We've got two packs left. If I can grab the thing to open it. These are definitely unweighed then. We've got a Claydol, Burmy, Bidoof. This is only a 100 card set. And we have an Infernape Hollow. I'm just going to assume that every pack gives you a hollow in this set at this point. But that also wouldn't make sense when there's 10 rares. Maybe we're about to figure out Golett, Piplup, Sigilyph, Spiritomb, and a non-hollow. So you can get non-hollows. I just hit the jackpot of all jackpots apparently and got a pull in every single pack basically. We have an Infernape, Moltres, V-Card, Garchomp, whoever this professor is. We have a Skyform Shaman and a Lucario Hollow. If you do want to see more Japanese packs, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next video. Bye!